Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client James's first Section 8 rental property, guys. I'm so fired up to take you through this. We're gonna walk through. We're going to be fairly quick. There are guys working everywhere through here. Guys, James bought this house for $65,000. Rehab here, $51,000. We're going to walk on through. Right now we have people on the outside. We have people in the back. We're doing a brand new sewer line. We have people on the roof putting in a brand new custom metal roof. There's a ton of cosmetic work getting done here. This project is gonna take somewhere around 4 weeks. We're about a week in, and kind of that first couple days is all about measurements, getting the crews lined up, getting everything that we need done, and then we hit the ground running, which is why we have plumbers out back doing the sewer lines, roofers on the roof doing the roof. We have carpenters inside doing a lot of the carpentry work. A lot of things going on here, a lot of great things. This house needs virtually everything. A ton of mechanical work, a ton of cosmetic work. A property like this, gonna rent for a lot of money. And guys, you can do this too. I know it's scary, and I know it's something that you don't want to take on, big out-of-state investment. But James has never seen this house. He's never been here. And the cool thing about it is when you have a team that you can rely on and trust, these are the kind of things that you can get done. And if you don't have that team, you can never get this done. And I would tell you, don't try it. Don't try to do this if you don't have a team. I promise you'll lose money. But if you have a team that does this and can repeat this process over and over and over again into a system where we can just do one after the next, put a Section 8 tenant in there, put a great person in there that's going to pay every month because the money's backed by the government. They take care of the unit, they have pride in it, and then we repeat that over and over and over again. Why would you not want to do it? Okay, so guys, let's walk through and we'll talk about it. So you walk in here, and this is our living room. So originally, we had our living room, and we also had a den here where it was a den kitchen area. What we did was we walled that off. That is now an additional bedroom, okay? So we added a bedroom there. Right here, this was also part of the living room. This is a big opening on entryway. We built a wall here as well. So this is gonna be another additional bedroom. So as you step in, you have 2 bedrooms that didn't exist, but you also have a totally normal sized living room. Put your flat screen TV up there. Of course, all new light fixtures, all new flooring going in here, guys. You see some of the flooring that we have there. This is an old window unit. This is getting trashed. The whole place will be painted after a lot of the cosmetic work is done. So come in here. We have bedroom number 1 right here. As we walk down this hallway, we have this wall that was just built for bedroom number 2. So as we get to the end of the hallway, we have bedroom number 3 around this corner, which originally the door to bedroom number 3 was in this in the living room. You can enter it through here. So we're walling this off. So now you have 2 private bedrooms. This has a closet, guys. You can see the shape and the condition of the walls. You see how nasty it is, right? You see the damage, you see the cracks, you see the problems. All this stuff is going to be fixed and taken care of. Keep in mind we get guys on the roof too if you guys hear all that drilling. So new doors as well. You guys see how nasty it is coming through here. So that's those are the 3 bedrooms. And then we have our bathroom. So a lot of new plumbing, as you can see. Brand new sewer lines, new drain lines. We have PEX piping that was just installed. These are going to get ripped out and reattached to new drain lines to attach to the new sewer line that was just put in. Going to rebuild this entire wall. Going to get this tub out of here. Get all this nasty stuff out of here. This piece of ceiling is gone. If you guys come over here, actually you can see daylight up there. Okay, now the reason is because there's no roof currently on this house, which is why you can see daylight. So you won't be able to see that by the end of the day. But as we keep walking through here, we have bedroom number 4. Okay, so this was originally a bedroom. Okay, we have we got broken windows, we got holes in the ceiling and the walls. A lot of work still needs to be done here. Of course, we just started. And then we have our kitchen right here. So originally, guys, This was a wide open area here where it went into the room behind us that we'll walk through next. We built a wall here. We had a doorway here too that we walled off to create a bedroom on this side as well. So good sized kitchen. And then back here, we have our laundry room. So originally, this stuff was all connected. And a lot of people, they don't love when their water heaters are in the kitchen. So what we did was we created a separate room for the water heater. You'll have your washer dryer hookups in here as well. We're gonna get this out of here for the washer dryer right there. And you have an own separate room for your mechanical items. You have our washer dryer hookups here. We're gonna move those, update these, and get this water heater out of here. Or I'm sorry, separate the water heater from the rest of the house. So guys, come on outside. So brand new sewer line. As you can see right here, it just needs to be attached to the house. Everything there is all brand new, all the way ran to the back. And if you come back over here, you'll see that the house is getting all brand new decking and all new supports getting put on there. As well as here, we're gonna do all brand new decking right here as well. So this is kind of pawning off the back of the house. So a lot of stuff going on here, guys. Big project, absolutely nothing that we can't handle and that we don't do every day. If you want to be a part of this and you want to have a home that you can literally buy as a fallen apart, distressed piece of property and turn it into something totally different, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started, guys. Super, super happy for James. We'll see you next time.